This is a poster. This poster is full of clues to help us write our imaginary story. Look at the poster. Before we start talking about this poster, we have to decide on a name for the game park that we are going to. Can we please have some names from you? Have you thought about this? Yes, goed so.
My family and I went to Muchaki's game park in Deep Kloof, and it was near my home.
Oh, so it won't take you long to get there. And you, Chadley?
My family and I went to Noordgesig game park. It was near our house.
So what I am hearing from you is that there's different game parks you're going to. Is that right?
Yes.
So you will be choosing your own name for the game park
Yes.
to go to.
Yes.
Do you agree?
Yes.
Right. And I asked them questions on which they responded very well. I also asked the children to name all the animals and other interesting things on the poster, whereby I gave most of them got flashcards that they had to come and paste onto the board next to the poster. But before they had to paste it, they had to say something about the word that they had.
Family of lions. Lions are resting under the tree.
Good, put it up and go.
Bugs jump high.
Good, you remembered. When we were done with that, we went to the frame that they were going to use today to write the story. I showed them the frame, and we started out with the beginning and spoke about and discussed about what do we write at the beginning of a story. Now that we have done the poster, this is our story frame that's going to help you write the story. Every story starts with a beginning. And at the beginning of the story, we look at how you start your story. When did you go to the game park? After that, we also discussed the middle of the story, where they had to use words to show that the story is moving on and not staying at the same place. They could also give information about using adjectives and adverbs, describing what they saw and what they experienced. And also, in the middle is where the children have to identify the problem in the story. Suddenly, something unexpected. Did something unexpected happen? And I think that Tabang wants to tell us.
Suddenly, a baboon jumped onto the roof of the jeep.
So you were sitting in the jeep. How did you feel? How did you feel?
I felt shocked.
Why were you shocked? To hear what?
To hear.
And then we discussed the end of the story, where they could tell us how the problem was solved. And then I asked them to go to their seats, where they're going to write the first draft of the story in pairs. And I also reminded them that when they write, they have to remember the rules of being a star writer. One of them had to write, and the other one had to look up words to use in the story, and also contribute ideas while writing the story. Then it was time to edit the story. And here we exchange stories in a group. The group sitting together, they exchange stories in that group, where they have to read through the story and they have to indicate where the mistakes are.
On a Saturday morning, we went. My family and I went. My family family and I. Saturday.